The financial system is being rewritten right now. And if you don't act fast, you could miss out on the huge opportunities crypto offers. In this urgent update, I'll reveal exactly when to sell, what's coming next, and how to survive the madness that crypto brings. But first, I want to touch on ISO 20022, because I feel it's hugely important for us crypto investors to understand. Now, I've got exposure to ISO cryptos with XRP and HBAR, but until recently, I haven't given it enough attention and focus. Understanding ISO 20022 is crucial for crypto investors and anyone involved in the financial industry, as its widespread adoption is transforming how financial transactions are processed and communicated globally. This standard not only streamlines operations, but also paves the way for innovation and improved financial services. ISO cryptos like XRP have, behind the scenes, been given the green light for widespread adoption in the financial system, particularly in relation to banks, stablecoins, and digital assets. Key points include integration into the banking system. The US financial system is now moving towards embracing ISO 20022, with banks given the go-ahead to integrate blockchain-based solutions, stablecoins, and digital assets into their operations. Regulators have clarified that banks can use blockchain and distributed ledger technologies. Use of stablecoins in the global economy. Stablecoins such as USDC and RLUSD will be used in cross-border payments, payroll, business transactions, and trade settlements. The US government is actively promoting stablecoins as a tool for maintaining the dominance of the US dollar in the global economy. Cryptocurrencies that comply with ISO 20022 standards like XRP and XLM are expected to play a pivotal role in the new financial system. The Bank of America CEO confirmed that once regulations are in place, banks will enter the digital asset space in a huge way. What this means for ISO 20022, well, it means it's not just a technical upgrade, but a major shift in the global financial system. With this green light, financial institutions are now in a position to adopt blockchain and digital assets in everyday banking. Leverage stablecoins for settlement and cross-border transactions. Cryptocurrencies like XRP and XLM will be used as part of an ISO 20022 compliant infrastructure. The ongoing developments with the whole financial system signals a transformation in payments, banking, and finance, making ISO 20022 a key standard for the future of money. The question is, do you have exposure to ISO 20022 cryptos like XRP and hedera? Let me know below in the comments. That is a mouthful, ISO 20022. Anyway, current market overview. Let's start with where the market stands right now. 2025 has been a roller coaster for us crypto investors. I've been in crypto now for 8 years, and even though I am detached emotionally because I'm long-term bullish, I know how hard it can be to deal with volatility. I really struggled with it back in 2017 and 2018. Now, after a massive bull run in 2024, we've seen some corrections, but the market is still showing strength. Bitcoin is trading at around $82,000 at the time of recording, and Ethereum is just below $2,000. Key factors influencing the market so far this year have been Trump's tariffs, the war in Ukraine, and much more that have led to uncertainty. But being a positive little crypto investor, I want to try and focus on the positives. So let's look at some of the fundamentals and why we should be bullish for the rest of 2025. Institutional investment. Companies like BlackRock and Bitwise are heavily involved in crypto ETFs. This has led to an increase in liquidity and legitimacy in the market, making Bitcoin and Ethereum more attractive to traditional investors. I know it doesn't feel like it, but them Bitcoin ETFs that were approved January 2024 are a big deal and confirms Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Regulations. The new crypto-friendly SEC and other regulatory bodies are actively shaping the crypto landscape. You've even got the US going ahead with a Bitcoin strategic reserve. This is huge. Countries like El Salvador and regions in the Middle East are embracing crypto, providing alternative markets. So it's not just about what happens in the US, macroeconomic conditions, interest rates, inflation, and global financial stability are playing a huge role If central banks cut interest rates, liquidity could flood back into risk assets like crypto, leading to another price increase, a huge price increase. You see loads of stories surrounding financial markets, and that includes crypto. Long story short, it's all about global liquidity. And all of the big players like the US have huge debts to pay, so they will turn the money printers back on, which will fire a rocket up the arse of the entire crypto market. This is just a bit of info to hopefully bring a bit of calmness. Now, if you are new to crypto and need a bit of help and support, you can get a copy of my crypto cheat sheet for 2025. All you've got to do is type yes below in the comments. Should you sell? This has been my obsession for the last 6 months because I know how important it is. Now, the big question is it time to sell your crypto? Here are some things to consider. Market cycle position. Historically, Bitcoin follows a 4-year cycle with massive bull runs followed by a deep correction. If we're nearing the cycle top, taking profits is smart. Looking at previous cycles, Bitcoin has experienced drops of 50% or even 60% after reaching its peak. Selling before the hype fades and not trying to time the market top is the way to go. I'll be cashing out incrementally over the next few months. And if you see below, I'll leave a video that goes into my exit strategy in detail. Personal financial goals. Are you in crypto for the long term or do you need the money short term? If you have life goals like buying a house, paying off debt, or starting a business, locking in some profits now could be the way to go to help secure your future without risking it all on market volatility. Personally, my main goals are paying that mortgage off and helping my daughters out with university, etc. Portfolio allocation. A smart investor always diversifies, in my humble opinion. If your crypto holdings have grown to represent a significant portion of your net worth, you may want to rebalance. Moving some funds into stocks, bonds, or property can help protect your gains. All I would say is to really focus on education, on becoming financially literate, and that knowledge, along with crypto, could well lead to financial freedom. On that note, this isn't financial advice. I'm just trying to help you with my experience. Signs it might be time to sell. Here are some signals that we might be at the top of the market. Extreme greed in the fear and greed index. Historically, when the index reaches levels of extreme greed above 80, corrections often follow. If we get 85 to 90, I will be looking to take profit personally. Parabolic price movements. If a coin has skyrocketed 300 to 500% in a short time, it's likely overheated. Many people FOMO in at the top, which leads to sharp corrections. Don't be one of them and don't let greed go to your head. If you get in now and your portfolio does a 2x or 3x, it's really good. The huge gains are normally made when you invest for a few years. So starting in the bear market, when you get a huge discount, all the way towards the end of the bull market. Massive media hype. When mainstream news starts telling everyone to buy, that's often a sign that the market is reaching peak euphoria. Or when literally all your friends are telling you all about crypto. Smart money selling. If institutional investors and crypto whales begin moving large amounts of Bitcoin or altcoins to exchanges, it could signal an upcoming dump. Watching on-chain data can give clues about this. The case for holding. But wait just a minute. What if selling isn't the best move? Some experts believe that the 2025 bull run could extend into 2026 due to strong adoption, ETF growth, and institutional involvement. If you believe in the long-term value of Bitcoin and blockchain technology, holding through volatility might be your best strategy. Long-term investors typically do things like this. They take partial profits instead of selling everything. This strategy allows them to benefit from gains while keeping skin in the game. Stake assets like Ethereum or Solana to earn yield, turning holdings into income-generating assets. I'm not in this camp, by the way. I'm just giving you options. I won't be touching what Bitcoin I have, but everything else is getting sold. That's the current plan anyway. Diversify into stable assets like property, gold, dividends, stocks, while maintaining a crypto core position. This I can get on board with as I believe strongly in diversification. Follow the macro trends. If the Federal Reserve shifts its stance on monetary policy, crypto could remain bullish longer than expected. Hedge with stable coins. Moving some profits into stable coins like USDC allows flexibility while avoiding direct exposure to fiat currency. Summary. So, when should you sell? The answer depends on your risk tolerance, financial situation, and market outlook. The best strategy, have a plan. Simple as that. Even experts like Raoul Pal haven't got a perfect plan. We're all different. The main thing I want to drive home is the importance of having an exit strategy and focusing on education. As I touched on earlier, I believe that financial literacy can lead to financial freedom. If you're taking profit, set realistic price targets. Markets are cyclical. The biggest mistake investors make is selling too soon or holding too long. Find that balance that works for you. What do you think? Are you selling, holding, or buying more? Get in the comments below and let's start a conversation. Investing can be lonely. Trust me. Funnily enough, I've got a little offer before I stop recording. You can join my crypto community for free. Well, to be honest, it's free for 7 days, so that's zero risk. Get in the community, take advantage of the courses I put a lot of time and effort into, and the weekly newsletter, exclusive to members, and you get around other crypto investors. The link can be found below in the description. Right, that's it. I'm done for now. If you found this helpful, if you took some value from the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more content just like this, all the good stuff, and thanks for watching. Good luck in 2025.